Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to install WordPress locally. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. First in the upper right corner, so go ahead and log into your account, and after logging into your account successfully and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with installing WordPress locally. Basically guys, to install WordPress locally, we are going to be using any self-hosting options such as XAMPP, or you can download WAMP, some or similar options. You can see this is the XAMPP control panel that I'm going to be showing you how it works. Basically, you're going to have your own database using either MySQL, Apache, doesn't matter. You will first need to install a database program. So once you hit download any of the programs right here, you can get started with clicking the start button next to them and getting them imported into XAMPP. So you can either use any of the options that I already told you, any program that you have for yourself. XAMPP is one of the most used ones, so you can get started opening them and starting configuring your website. So what you will want to do after that is to download your website. So here in the settings menu, you can get started downloading your website by going into general options and start downloading your website as a zip file. So you can even go to the tools section right here and export it by clicking the export button. This is going to enable you to export your website, after which you want to upload that website to your XAMPP control panel, and this is going to enable you to self-host locally your WordPress website and using your database all on your PC and save it right there. So here is how to get started. Now you can go ahead and get started with exploring for yourself. But yeah, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.